Hey everybody, how's it going? Well, I'm back again, just doing some more tests. I wanted to show you guys something that I kind of found very interesting. Bug zappers. You know, those zappers for bugs or for flies or for whatever, swatting the bugs. We got these batteries right here, 1.5 and 1.5. And 1.5, and obviously it's 3 point something volts. What is very strange here for me, since this is a transformer, kind of a transformer there. What's transformer there? Same thing, right? Transformer and some sort of capacitor. And you're thinking, okay, it's kind of like a step up, right? 3 volts to let's check it out. AC, right? Let's just see what happens if it's and now you'll see a little red light in there when and let's just see how much voltage we're going to get over here AC, right? I don't really know, right? Let's check it out. Okay. Let's see. Ooh. 744 volts. Right? AC. Stepping it up. When I put the multimeter over to DC, right? When I put the multimeter over to DC and I hold it down, reaction happens. Wow. Turn it up to 200. Hold it, press it. We're getting voltage out of here. Flick it over to 300 DC, right? We're reading 590, 595, 97, 98. Ooh, 98. So you saw that 98, right? 598. Let's go back over to AC. 732. Very interesting what's going on over here, right? Very interesting. Little bug zapper. Little bug zapper circuit board with a little transformer. What is interesting, and this is 3 volts. Wonder what would happen if we use the 9 volts. Probably a lot more, right? What is interesting is we'll put that there. This is the circuit board there, right? It's on AC. Right, you see it, 732, right? And also, when I go to DC, the DC side, right, 500 volts. So very, 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 very interesting. And this is a LED bulb, 120 volts. 120 volts. Don't know if you can see it, but it's an LED bulb. It's a 12 watt replacement for a 60 watt light bulb. It says right there 12 watts. 12 watts. 12 watts. 1100 lumens. 120 volts, 60 hertz. I'm gonna put the light bulb, right? Nothing inside here besides just normal light bulb kind of thing. Well, what is interesting is light bulb side. So yeah, light bulb side, and I'm going to press the button. I'm going to press the button. Can you see that? Where the light bulb turned on? What is very strange, you saw it, but I'm able to light this light bulb up over here, right? Look at that. Okay, let's take this off. Take these multimeter off, but here it is, right here, right? 120 volts required. 120 volts required. AC. But you saw earlier, we were registering the AC and also DC. I have to break. Okay, now I want to do something else. I'm actually bringing into the picture these two light bulbs over here. Yeah, one's a 40 watt and don't know what this one is. This one is a 60 watt light bulb. This is a 60 watt. This is 40 watt. I know that for a fact. Yeah. Let's see what 40 watt light bulb first. Let's just see if we can even turn it on. All right. See if we can turn it on. Might be interesting. Might be interesting to see if it's going to even turn it on. No. Doesn't have a 60 watt light bulb. But we know for a fact, right, that it will turn on. It'll turn on this light bulb, right? Very interesting. But I'm wondering, right? I'm wondering what would happen if we stepped it up using a 9-volt battery, 18650 battery, replacement of the AA batteries, which is I don't know, right? I don't know, and I don't know what the circuit board. I don't know what the circuit board's actual capability is, but we saw what we saw though, which was very interesting, right? Let's go back over here and let's go back over here. Sorry about all the math. I just do I do lots of little tests. I'm finding it very intriguing, right, on how many methods you can turn a light bulb on. I mean, you can turn a light bulb, right? There's many ways. Very interesting. But we notice when we hit that. Interesting how this is happens like this. It's like 1 minute it's AC and then it's not AC. Then 1 minute it's AC. Then it's not AC. But we know it's DC. But isn't this supposed to be taking the DC in and transforming it to AC? And then when we click over to DC, wow, right? We're getting 480 some odd volts DC. That's a lot of freaking volts for DC, right? Just saying, right? Just saying from this bug zapper thing here. A little transformer, right? But this is actually a little step up. 3 volts, 12 volts. And it goes to 240. I was turning on actually 60 watt light bulbs with this thing, with almost the same kind of concept, right? Throwing a DeWalt battery into it, which is 18 volts, and actually turning on not only the 9 watt light bulb, but I was turning on the 40 and the 60 watt light bulb. No problem. I hooked everything up. So there's either two options that happened. One, this is only meant to be 3 volts in, maximum to 13. That's what it says. But I was using already 18. I don't know, right? But I got a fully charged one, which reads out to 21 volts, fully charged. So this blew though. But there was one other thing also too that happened to the light bulb, where a little frayed at the end, and it blew. It made a big sound. It went like almost like a firecracker. It's kind of a little dangerous, but hey, look, you can see where it blew right there. Well, let me take the light off. Hang on a second. You can see right over here. Oh yeah, right. I took the resistors. I tried to fix them, but the transistors. That'd be these things right here. These things. Bit of blue. But yeah, nice little transformer in there. Nice little transformer. But anyways, I thought I'd show you this. You know, how to turn on a light bulb. I wonder how it would be with the 18650 battery, right? Would we get more voltage? Probably would, right? Look at that. That's on DC, almost 500, right? Shut it right off first, and go back over to AC. 700, 730, 729. Very interesting, right? Very, very interesting here. And we're able to light this 9-watt light bulb. Right? Pretty much until the battery dies. Bug zapper. Bug zapper light bulb. AC. Right? 120 volt required. Right? 120 volts required to turn this light bulb on. Right? Because you cannot take the alligator clips and hook it to, you cannot take the alligator clips and try to light this light bulb with these two AA batteries. No. There's no way. But it's very interesting once this is like this. But this is what you want to sort of kind of get, right? You want to get one of these little step up from 3 volts, 12 volts, 11 volts, 8 volts, right, to go to 240. And yeah, you'll be able to run some lights, right? Get you know, some, you know, like 2 or 3 18650s. Put them in a little box, right? Strap it together with a little light bulb, something like that, and I'll run this thing pretty much for hours, hours and hours and hours and hours, right? Hydro wheel, windmill, hooked up to this. You don't have to produce actually, like, you know, like 13, 15 volts. You can be producing 6, 5, and turn on a bunch of things. All you need is a step up, right? Step up transformer. Very, very interesting. You know, a little bit of MacGyvering. You can turn on a light bulb, right? Turn on several light bulbs. An emergency situation, well, you got yourself some, well, right? Be able to charge your phones. We know we got 700 volts AC and 500 on this side on DC, right? How can we put that into something, right? Just saying, something going on. Right, we can step it down, right, from you know, from AC back over to DC. That's what we can do. Just actually doing the complete opposite. 40,000 volts. $40,000 volts. 700 on the DC, on the AC side with this battery, and 500 on the DC side. Very interesting. Very interesting. Light bulb. Alright, bye for now.